I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right now. Check that your phone has enough free space and that cloud backups are off because you want a true local file. Once done, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, then tap Backup. You do this to generate the latest MSG store, DB file on your device. Make sure the app completes the process. It writes timestamped files into the WhatsApp/databases folder. This initial action creates the concrete file you'll preserve and transfer. Next, locate and extract the files. Open a file manager or connect your phone via USB. Navigate to WhatsApp/databases and WhatsApp/media. Copy the latest MSG store * DB. Crypt file plus the media folder to your PC or SD card. You do this because the database holds your messages while media keeps photos and videos. Together they form a full local backup. Once copied, verify file sizes and modification dates, and keep them in a clearly named folder so you can restore without confusion. Finish by restoring or securing your backup. To restore locally, move the backed up MSG store file into WhatsApp/databases on the target device, install WhatsApp, and confirm the same phone number when prompted. You do this because WhatsApp detects local DB files during setup. If it fails, make sure the file name exactly matches expected format, the crypt extension matches app version, and the media folder is present. For stubborn cases, use ADB or a file manager with root access, and always keep one extra copy as insurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.